Imagine a creature that seems to have sprung from a child's imagination, a real-life water dragon with a secret superpower. This is the axolotl, a fascinating amphibian native to the lakes of Mexico. With feathery gills sprouting from its head and a perpetual smile etched on its face, the axolotl looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. But its most remarkable feature is its ability to regenerate lost body parts, a trait that has captivated scientists and nature enthusiasts for centuries. This extraordinary creature, also known as the Mexican salamander, possesses an uncanny ability to regrow limbs, tail, even parts of its heart and brain. Imagine losing an arm and having it grow back, perfectly formed and fully functional. This is the reality for the axolotl, a creature that seems to defy the boundaries of what we thought was possible in the animal kingdom. The axolotl's regenerative abilities are not just a curiosity, they hold immense potential for medical research. Understanding how these creatures regenerate their tissues could unlock groundbreaking treatments for spinal cord injuries, organ damage, and even diseases like cancer. Join us as we delve into the world of the axolotl, exploring its unique characteristics, the science behind its regenerative abilities, and the threats it faces in the wild. The axolotl's ability to regenerate limbs is nothing short of astonishing. Unlike most animals, which form scars over wounds, the axolotl can regrow lost body parts with incredible precision. If an axolotl loses a leg, for instance, it doesn't just heal the wound, it grows a whole new leg, complete with bones, muscles, nerves, and skin. This ability isn't limited to limbs. Axolotls can regenerate their tails, spinal cords, jaws, and even parts of their heart and brain, all without any scarring. It's as if their bodies have an internal blueprint that guides the regeneration process, ensuring that each new part is a perfect replica of the original. What's even more remarkable is that this process happens throughout their lives. A young axolotl can regenerate a limb in a matter of weeks, while an older one might take a few months, but the end result is always the same: a fully functional, perfectly regenerated body part. Scientists have been studying axolotl regeneration for decades, hoping to unlock the secrets of this incredible ability. If we can understand how axolotls regenerate their tissues, we might be able to develop new treatments for human injuries and diseases. The secret to the axolotl's regenerative prowess lies in its remarkable cells. When an axolotl is injured, special cells called fibroblasts migrate to the wound site. These fibroblasts are like tiny construction workers carrying the blueprints for rebuilding the missing limb. As the fibroblasts gather, they form a mass of cells called a blastema. This blastema acts like a construction site where cells communicate with each other and begin to differentiate or specialize into the various cell types needed to rebuild the limb: bone cells, muscle cells, nerve cells, and so on. The process is incredibly complex, involving a delicate dance of molecular signals and cellular interactions. Researchers are still trying to decipher the exact mechanisms that allow axolotls to regenerate so effectively. One key factor seems to be the axolotl's immune system, which plays a crucial role in preventing inflammation and scarring, allowing the regeneration process to proceed smoothly. Another fascinating aspect of axolotl regeneration is that it's not limited to their own body parts. Scientists have found that axolotls can even accept transplanted organs from other axolotls, further highlighting the remarkable plasticity of their cells. The axolotl possesses another extraordinary trait, neoteny. This means that it retains its larval features throughout its adult life, never undergoing the metamorphosis that transforms most salamanders from aquatic creatures with gills into terrestrial adults with lungs. Imagine a tadpole that never transforms into a frog but remains in its larval form, even as it reaches sexual maturity and can reproduce. This is the essence of neoteny, a phenomenon that makes the axolotl truly unique. While most salamanders lose their gills and develop lungs as they transition to land, axolotls hold on to these juvenile features, spending their entire lives underwater. Their feathery gills, which protrude from the back of their heads like delicate headdresses, allow them to breathe underwater, while their long, slender bodies and tails are perfectly adapted for swimming. Why axolotls evolved this way remains a mystery. Some scientists believe that the axolotl's native habitat, the high-altitude lakes of Mexico, provided a stable environment with abundant food, eliminating the need for them to venture onto land. Whatever the reason, Neoteny adds another layer of intrigue to the axolotl's already fascinating biology.